Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can add beats to your audio automatically and how you can sync your audio with your video using Capcut PCs. So first, open the Capcut PC app and select your audio that you want to edit. Okay, to add beats automatically, just click the mark beats button. Just click on it and you can select beats 1 or beat 2. For example, I'm going to select beats 1 and the beat has been applied to the audio. How to sign with your video? Just add your videos and just adjust your video duration. Um, yeah, with the bit. Okay, add more. Okay, signs with your bit. Okay, so like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.